This is a display frame or kickstand frame for collectible trading cards that have been graded. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase one, it would cost you about $8. I haven't paid for this video, and my opinion remains my own. So in the package, you have a little set of instruction card here, and this guy itself. It looks like it has two of these guys that pop out, and that's what will hold it upright. Although I think it's supposed to go that way. And the idea is you will take one of these card holders and snap it inside. So that's how it works. That's what it looks like. This is turquoise. They sell them in other colors. And looking at this, it is a 3D printed object. So I can see some back and forth lines at the top here. It looks like it was built on a build plate facing this way, so it was probably printed in place like that. But it's very nice quality on the 3D printing here. You know, super smooth edges, and the layer lines are quite thin. And so if I didn't know what to look for, I would think it was just some type of injection molded plastic. So, you know, they're using a nice high quality printer here to print this guy out. So the price is relatively low. And if you need to set a card stand upright to display, it works pretty well. There's just a slight back tilt angle, maybe 10 degrees, maybe less than 10 degrees, so that you can see it pretty easily if it's on a tabletop.